Yo, what's good, IG? So, you know, I realized that there's certain things that I used to do in the world, you know what I'm saying, that I need to do, you know what I'm saying, it's still good, but do it for a better cause. So I done got some, you know what I'm saying, little money, you feel me, out of the account. My girl, you know what I'm saying, she been, you know, been being a blessing to me. She been loving me, been caring for me, you know what I'm saying, and I just want to, you know, just show her, you feel me, that, like, I love her, you know what I'm saying? So, y'all stay on the lookout, about to make it rain on my baby. I ain't going to the strip club no more, make it rain on that baby, you feel me? Listen, you got to do that sometime for the woman that love you, you know what I'm saying? Instead of spending it on the woman that ain't even giving you no play. My girl take care of me, she love me, I love her. About to make it rain on that ass, baby. Hey. Me who it is. Hey.
Are you serious?
What
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with your dad?
Make it rain. Hey. Make it rain on you, baby. Hey. Make it rain. Make it rain on your ass. I love you, girl. I love you, girl.